somebody, body. Their hands on my body, body. Could be that somebody, body. Keep me satisfied. Hear me breathing, breathing. Don't want it, I need it, need it. We getting heated, come on and keep me satisfied. Keep me satisfied.